Welcome to our video on the importance of internal tools in the manufacturing industry. Internal tools can streamline your operations, from inventory management to production line monitoring. Whether it's managing supplier relationships, automating workflows, or ensuring quality control, internal tools can enhance your business performance. Internal tools are custom software applications designed to help businesses manage internal processes more efficiently. For manufacturers, these tools optimize production, manage resources, and ensure compliance with industry standards. By integrating internal tools, manufacturers can automate repetitive tasks, track performance in real time, and reduce manual errors. In the fast-paced manufacturing sector, having the right internal tools is essential for staying competitive. From managing inventory to ensuring production quality, internal tools help maintain efficiency and reduce downtime. By automating critical processes, manufacturers can optimize production lines, track defects, and ensure smooth supply chain operations. Let's look at some essential internal tools for manufacturing. Inventory management and forecasting tool. Track stock levels in real time and forecast future inventory needs, ensuring smooth production. Production line monitoring dashboard. Monitor your production line and get real-time insights into bottlenecks or issues. Quality control tracker. Automate quality checks and monitor product defects to maintain consistent standards. Supplier management system. Manage relationships with suppliers, track orders, and ensure timely delivery of raw materials. Equipment maintenance scheduler. Schedule routine equipment maintenance to minimize breakdowns and extend machinery life. Employee shift management tool. Organize employee shifts, track attendance, and ensure optimal staffing for each production cycle. Additional tools include raw materials procurement tracker. Track and automate the procurement process to ensure raw materials are available. Manufacturing workflow automation. Streamline and automate production workflows to reduce human error. Production cost calculator. Estimate production costs to control expenses and set pricing effectively. Defect tracking tool. Monitor defects in production to improve quality assurance. Product lifecycle management system. Manage the life cycle of your products from design to end of life. Factory floor incident reporting. Record and manage factory floor incidents to improve safety and compliance. Manufacturers need custom internal tools to stay efficient, reduce costs, and keep production lines running smoothly. Whether it's tracking shifts or automating raw material procurement, internal tools are crucial for optimizing processes and ensuring quality. Interested in building your own internal tools? With NeoApps.AI, we can help you create custom tools tailored to your business in days. NeoApps.AI puts everything in your control with no third-party dependencies. Thank you for watching. Ready to create your own internal tools? Fill out the contact form and let's start building your custom solution today.